Today we have a beautiful 2026 Lexus RX 350. It is getting a full transformation with this beautiful canal blue paint protection film. If you're tired of the original paint, you want something more customized, we can definitely help you achieve that. We have varieties of different color paint protection film. You guys can see we remove all the door handles, window trims, the fender flares. We can give you that beautiful OEM finish so you really can tell that it has a different color. And here we have it, fully transformed, this brand new Lexus RX 350. What do you think about our signature color paint protection film? Leave a comment below.